What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are gonna install some new product from my friends over at Kemimoto. It's gonna be some new highway pegs. Let's get into it. All right, Kim folk. So, like I said, man, my friends over at Kemimoto, they ended up hitting me up, man, and asking me to do a review on these highway pegs. They are CNC aluminum highway pegs. We're gonna get rid of these old dirty things here. I've tried to paint them to make them black because they were chrome before. So we're gonna take those off, man. But let me show you exactly what comes in this thing here. I'm gonna get my handy dandy little table. These here are freaking dope, man. I was super stoked whenever I saw them on the website. These things are heavy duty, man. The material is, like I said, CNC machined aluminum, but look at this. Look at the quality of that. I mean, just gorgeous, man. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Of course, it comes with your instructions. It's gonna come with your other parts here. Some extension arms there. Of course, your little braces to go around the highway bar, and then of course your bolts and everything, all your hardware there, it comes with as well. What really caught my attention, man, and what I think is really cool about this product is whenever you have these jokers on, right, you got them on running your highway. Watch the Crocs, hey, watch the Crocs. Got your highway, your foot on the highway peg, man, and you're like, hey, let me go ahead and I need to get a little different position. Kick this little button, bam! Now it turns into a full floorboard. Look at that, man. That is so sick. Kemimoto, man, I'm telling you, they come out with some great, great products, and super stoked about this one. So let me go ahead and get these off. Like I said, we'll get these off, get this put together. I'll show you how they say to do that, and then we'll go ahead and get them put together, and then and we'll start getting them installed. It shouldn't take long, so let's get after it. All right, Kim folk, what I ended up doing, man, is I ended up piecing one together, got it all together, adjusted to where I want it, and man, let me tell you, that thing is freaking slick, man. Dang, I'm stoked about these. So what it tells you in the instructions is, it has in the instructions that this piece is separate, but this one's already on there. We're gonna loosen this up though, so we can move it just a little bit. It's still super tight. Just like that. And then we'll tighten it up once we get it over there. But it does tell you to go ahead and put this piece around the actual bar first. And then we'll come in with the extension arm, and then we'll come in with the actual floor, or the actual highway peg itself, or highway board itself. This stuff is all machined, man. Super high quality. I really put the Titans on this thing here, and that thing ain't going anywhere. It's not gonna, I mean, you're not gonna break it, I don't feel like. So I really tightened it down to make sure it's not gonna move anywhere, because it doesn't have any kind of rubber seals or anything like that to put in there. It just clamps around the bar itself, and this thing, I mean, it ain't going anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So the only thing is trying to get it adjusted exactly like this one is here. So we'll go to this side. I'll show you. It's all got lock washers, right? So it comes with lock washers in your bolts. So it's we're not going to put any Loctite on there. So let's go ahead and get two of these. We'll come around and try to get an adjustment on here about where it's going to be at. And this came in just in time, man, because we're actually going on a trip this weekend. So this is going to work out perfect. Going to really be able to give it a go and figure out the perfect position. But as far as now, it's kind of going to be where I set them at. Baby, you want to hand me the ratchet? Huh?
It's higher than that. It's right in the middle.
All right, Mello's telling me it's higher than that, so let's get it.
Let's see. Yeah.
Let's get it a little bit tighter so it'll stay. You kind of want to just tighten one side a little bit, tighten the other side, so you're kind of working it a little bit at a time on each side. You'll see the gap start closing up. What do you think, Mello?
Lower.
Lower than that?
Mm-hmm.
As far as twisted inward or outward, where about is that? Oh, it's got to come out this way, don't it?
I can't see what you mean.
Like the little gear things on this side?
No. Yeah.
Okay. Down, you said? Mello's got better eyes than I do.
Yeah, lower.
Right
So
there?
now you're gonna twist it this way.
Towards me?
That's it.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten this one down first. The other one I put everything together, but then I had to keep loosening it up to readjust it. So this one, because once you get that arm on there, you can't get one of these bolts. So we're gonna tighten it down like that. Get it good and tight.
And tweak.
And tweak. Okay. And then we're gonna come with your extension arm, which has the Kemimoto logo, which is really sick, man. It's got the cutouts with aluminum showing. Really dope. I like it a lot.
Straight like that, perfect.
This was straight, so what we did is we lined it up straight with the actual bracket here that goes around the bar. And that was a pretty good feeling on the other side, so we'll try it like that here and see what that does. This one might only take us 15 minutes, babe. Because Kim Folk, if you watch my channel, you know nothing ever takes as long as they say it does. Mainly because of me, not because of the product. All right, and then we'll get the board.
In that one? Is that a separate?
I think that's an extra one.
Oh, okay.
I think they send you an extra bolt as well. So then we'll get this. That looks about right, huh?
Yeah.
Get that put in there. And this is gonna be a 6mm. They send you the Allen bolt, the Allen wrench to do it. But you know, I always have a ratchet or something just to make it a little quicker. Okay. Did that move a little bit? Tighten that one. Tighten that one.
You should have not tightened it that much, so you can try it.
Tighten that one. That's probably a good idea. All right, let's jump on the bike and see where we're at. Oh, let's see. Oh. All right. Looks about the same on each side. Good there. Oh, let me get a different foot position, eh? Bam! Bam! Open them up as floorboards. Golly, that is sick, man. Look at that.
Try it again. Do it again. Do it again.
So then you want to fold them up, running. I usually like to have my highway pegs, man, to where I can still put my foot on the floorboard and just kind of give me another position like that. This will also give me another position now, which I like the wide board here like this, and it matches the floorboards, the stock floorboards really well. And then if you're rolling, you're like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get another position. Bam! Now I can rest almost my whole foot on that highway peg. Highway board is what I would call it. Huh? Very, very slick, man. So good. And then, if you want to put them up, because you got to get in somewhere tight, just get it up in there. You ready to use them? Bring it back down. Rolling. Bam. Genius, Kemimoto. Genius. Love it, man. That is really good. I need to tighten this one up over here because, remember, we loosened this one up. So it's kind of flopping around. So let me tighten that up real quick. All right, kinfolk, that's it, man. That was a super easy install. They did end up giving me an extra bolt, so that comes in the kit. But it looks really good, man. Looks really, really good. The positioning was perfect. Being able to get it adjusted was really good. Wasn't that bad. The style, the look of them, I really, really like them. So I think on that trip this weekend, it's gonna be a really good feel. And then I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them because I'm gonna be able just to, bam, kick them out. You know what I'm saying? And then it gives you all this grip right here, man. So they're like little knobbies, right? So it's knobbied out, nice and flat here. And then just that button there, the release. Super, super clean. Fold them up whenever you're done with them. Good to go, man. It's just a great, great concept. Great product. Like I said, they're super duper, or super, not super duper. Jeez. They're super heavy, man. Heavy duty, like all aluminum. So CNC machine. So it's really, really good, man. And I think they look good on the bike. The finish is nice too. You know what I mean? Nice. Perfect match, man, as far as the color, the finish on it. Looks really clean with the bike. So Kemimoto. We made the ride yesterday, man. This is a Kemimoto floorboards here. And let me tell you something. They worked out amazing. So as you saw a little bit ago, me installing them, they did really good. I was out there in my rain boot covers, and this part here, with it all wet, ended up getting just a little bit slick, man. But all I had to do was kick this here, bam, and it had all the grip. I didn't have to worry about my foot slipping at all. These things are legit, man. Nicely made. Out here, testing them out, getting some ride in with them. And yeah, so if you want to check them out, man, Kemimoto, the link's down below. Click it, take you straight to it. Take you straight to the link to the product. Looking good. Like I said, they're awesome, man. You just take it, bam, whole thing. I'll get you some more footage of it while we're rolling, man. But super pumped, very impressed by them. So y'all go check them out. That's it, kinfolk. What a great, great product, man. Kemimoto did it again, man. So I appreciate it, Kemimoto. Thank you so much. And so if y'all want to check it out, man, the link will be down below. Click the link. It'll take you straight to the product. You won't be disappointed in these. So till next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.